All right, guys, so in a hot skillet is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then I just spiralized 397 grams of fresh zucchini. Now, I use an app called Carb Manager, so I know exactly how many carbs and things I should be eating in a day. So this is perfect for this one meal. Into the hot skillet we go, and we start stirring it up with the zucchini in the olive oil. And I like it not overcooked. I like it cooked, but not like mushy and falling apart. So I am going to adjust the heat when needed. And into this goes a little bit of Redmond's salt, which I love because without eating a lot of carbohydrates, I have to keep my sodium levels up or else I'll get that headache. We don't want the headache, guys. So use your salt and be generous with it. So again, stirring the zucchini, making sure that everything is coated with that olive oil. And then I am going to set my spoon down and move on to the next piece. All right, so here is cheese that I get at BJ's, Gouda. It's one of the best ones that you can have when you're following low carb. As you see, there's 100 calories per slice, and the macros are great. I actually like the sliced cheese better than the block because it's portion control. So here's what it looks like, Gouda cheese. And this is what the slices look like. They're pretty thick, right? You see that? Nice and hefty. And what I like to do is I take 3 eggs and I scramble them up and I pour them ever so gently on top of the bed of zucchini. Now, what this does is it makes, I guess it's sort of like a frittata, I guess you could call it. And once the eggs are on there, what I like to do so that I ensure that they cook without this whole thing breaking apart, I like to, here comes the pepper. Forgot to mention, here comes the pepper. What I like to do then is cover it with a sheet of aluminum foil because then it steams. It steams the eggs, it gets everything incorporated, and then when you peel back the aluminum foil to take a peek at it, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look at that. Everything is cooked so well already. It's just the steam at this point. The olive oil has been absorbed by the noodles. So here I am checking to see if it breaks apart easily, which it does. So at that point is when I like to add the cheese on top. This part is my favorite. I break the cheese into a couple little pieces and I lay it right on top. And this gives, you know, some added fat, some extra protein, but that gooiness when you eat this and melt it, oh my God, guys, wait till you see it. So I'm going to recover it back with the aluminum foil so that it can steam and melt the cheese. This doesn't stay on much longer. It's really just until the cheese melts. And here I am just trying to adjust the piece of foil. So I'm going to lift the foil off after about a minute or so, and you can see that Gouda cheese has a nice melting factor to it. Oh, it melts so nicely. And this is pretty much it, guys. I'm going to plate it and show you what it looks like. But this is such a delicious breaking the fast meal because we've got loads of veggies in there. Oh, and here we go. I'm adding some avocado. Sorry. More fat and more healthy carbs. So that is it. It's plated. Here it is. What do you guys think? Please leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this meal. It is a really good one. And I'm going to show you the macros, and I'm going to take a picture of the screen on the app called Carb Manager so you can see how many calories this is, what it entails, and this will be my first meal of the day at 1:30 in the afternoon. I went all that time without being hungry, and this is just, for me, this is working. So here come the macros. There they all are. And you'll see at the bottom when it reaches, it'll tell you the amount of calories and such. So first great meal. And it's snack time. So here we have 17 slices of Hormel turkey pepperoni. That's 1 serving. And underneath here, we have 1 slice of the Gouda cheese that I used in the prior recipe. And all I do is put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And when it comes out, the cheese is nice and gooey. The pepperoni is cooked but not overdone. And you'll see it now. I'm going to pull one up and you can see how the cheese is just ooey and gooey. Yum-o-rama. This is a great little snack. You don't even have to cook it. If you're on the road and you want to pack this in a Ziploc and cube up you know, the cheese into little squares. You can bring it on the road. I'm making this doable for my lifestyle. And here are the macros, as you can see, nice and simple. And the next meal will be my final one, so I'll see you at that time. All right, hold on to your hats, guys. This is French toast, or you can make it into, you know, a sandwich, a hamburger bun. I've had this with tuna on top. You can do anything you want with it, and I'm going to show you this in another video how I make it, but you got to let me know below if that's something you're interested in. Please leave a comment if you want to see how I make this. But guys, this is what it looks like sliced. It's so good. It's doughy like bread. Oh, it's absolutely outstanding, and I can't wait to show you how I do this. Look at the bottom with the caramelization. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I like to do with this is one of two things. Tonight, I'm just going to add some sugar-free syrup from Walden Farms. This is the blueberry syrup. There's about a tablespoon in here, and I just, through the magic of television, if you could smell this, I could tell you it smells like French toast. And the syrup on top just makes it the perfect combination, I guess is what I want to say. You can have this for breakfast. You can have it for dinner. You can make this for breakfast, even one slice with an egg. Oh my goodness, it would be amazing. Some bacon on the side. That's full on keto right there. And as you can see today, my vegetables have been somewhat on the lower side. I usually have a good 7 cups a day. But today I'm just not feeling it. Today I just want this. And so I am. And it's healthy and it's good and it's keeping me satiated. This is the entire day of eating. It's really not a lot. And it's really, really beneficial and keeping me from binging and from being hungry. I'm satiated. I feel really good. And, you know, these are just some things that I wanted to share with you. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you, you know, anything. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, what I'm eating. This is just one day. I could show you another day where I might make some grilled chicken and some vegetables on the side. There's so many things you can do. So anyway, like I said, I'm not telling you, I'm just showing you. So I hope you like this video, guys. I'm going to go enjoy this right now. And I will see you in my next video. And like I always say, we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. Let's support one another. Let's be good to one another and be kind to one another. I hope you all have a great evening. And at the end of this video, I will put the macros for this meal and then the entire day so you can see everything. Okay? I hope you have a good night. Bye, guys.